Everything around us, our homes, workplaces, schools, hospitals and recreation areas, are made with quarried or mined minerals. They're turned into products essential to the economy and to the quality of our life. Travel, services, manufacturing, distribution. The UK consumes 400 million tonnes of mineral products in a typical year. That's over 1 million tonnes a day. Our rich and diverse geology sustains the supply of a wide range of minerals with different properties which govern how they're used as products, from durable granite, versatile limestone and sandstone, to sand and gravel and specialised industrial sand, lime and clay minerals. These raw materials can only be sourced where they naturally occur, including on the seabed. With more than 600 quarries and 1,500 other sites processing or manufacturing mineral products, the industry is spread across the UK in urban and rural locations and supplies markets by sea, road, rail and river. Aggregates, that's crushed rock, sand and gravel, are the lifeblood of construction, underpinning infrastructure and housing. And recycled materials like crushed concrete meet nearly a third of demand, making us an international leader. Cement is made from heating limestone and clay to produce clinker that's then ground into a fine powder. Cement is mixed with aggregates and water to make concrete and mortar. Concrete is the world's most consumed man-made material. It's durable, versatile, fire-resistant, made locally, and in the UK we use over 90 million tonnes a year. Concrete is supplied either as ready mix for pouring on site or as precast blocks, beams, slabs or segments used in buildings, bridges, tunnels and other structures. Asphalt, a blend of aggregates and bitumen, builds our roads, runways, pavements and playgrounds, creating safe, hard-wearing and low-noise surfaces that are long-lasting and can be repeatedly recycled. Building stone is used for architectural heritage, character developments and attractive public places. In glassmaking, industrial silica and moulding sand is the key ingredient, and it's also used for metal casting, plastics, paints and sports pitches. Lime is needed to make steel, chemicals, glass, foods and medicines. It's also essential for water filtration and for decontaminating land. On the farm, agricultural lime improves soil fertility. And in your home, industrial clays are vital for ceramics, tiling, tableware and your bathroom. Mineral products are essential to our way of life, essential for construction and manufacturing, and essential for our country's prosperity. More than 90% of the mineral products used here are made here. The industry's annual turnover is £16 billion, contributing more than £6 billion to the UK economy. We have a loyal, committed and proud workforce of 80,000 people who work tirelessly to ensure we're a responsible industry in the way we plan our activities and work with our neighbours, operating to the highest health, safety and environmental standards, recycling waste from other sectors to improve resource efficiency and deliver a circular economy. We're passionate about quarry restoration, creating landscape-scale priority habitat that supports nature recovery. 83 square kilometres, an area bigger than Nottingham, has already been handed to nature, with a further 110 square kilometres in the pipeline. That makes us one of the biggest contributors to UK biodiversity gain. Many of the country's most popular nature reserves and country parks are restored quarries. We're responding to climate change by driving down emissions as we accelerate the delivery of our roadmap to beyond net zero carbon. This is a progressive industry, investing in wide-ranging and far-reaching innovations that make mineral products sustainable. Turning raw minerals into products that drive economic growth is part of our heritage and it's part of our future. Looking ahead, the demand for mineral products will be as strong as ever and will continue to meet future needs sustainably. Making the link between mineral extraction and mineral products and the benefits they bring is the first step in appreciating life's essentials. An essential, responsible and sustainable industry, making a massive contribution to our daily lives. An industry to be proud of.